Poor people believe that spending money makes them poor, yet this is not the case. The ordinary person becomes poorer as they spend money. Smart and successful people, on the other hand, have found out how to spend money and get richer as a result. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of 15 things you can buy to make yourself richer, and your attitude about money will have changed, which will benefit you for the rest of your life. Let's get started. First and foremost, useful education. You've heard it before. You learn first, then you eliminate the L. The major issue with most forms of education is that they do not promote riches or pleasure. They want you to be productive and educated enough to find a job so they can trap you in a never-ending cycle of debt. Useful education is the cure to the world's current state of educational inflation. Although everyone is highly educated, just a small percentage of the population possesses valuable talents. More electricians and engineers, not influencers, are needed in society. Second, purchases that save time. Anything that saves you time is a good investment. We were at a business gathering with a few friends 2 days ago when someone asked, "What should I invest in right now?" To which one of our pals said, "If you have enough money to invest, move to a new rental apartment where your rent is greater but you're closer to work." Now here's the logic behind it. You may rationalize paying up to $50 more rent if you move 30 minutes closer to work. An hour per day is equal to 30 minutes on the way in and 30 minutes on the way out. Now if you work 5 hours per week and don't work on weekends, that's 20 hours per month or 240 hours per year. If you work an average of 8 hours per day, 240 divided by 8 is 30 extra workdays that you can use whenever you want in a year. Spend that time doing things that bring you joy, inspiration, or wealth. The third factor is your surroundings. In terms of growth, we're pretty similar to plants. You won't be able to bloom if your surroundings are harmful. Invest in everything you have: a comfy bed, pillows and bed linens, comfortable shoes, a warm home, and a nice view. Make an investment in what you eat, drink, and consume. Everything will have an impact on your future. Upgrade your surroundings because they will upgrade you. Country club memberships are number 4. The spa and golf course are not the focus of country clubs or membership clubs. These places are great for networking. High fees keep the mediocre out, ensuring that you're surrounded by successful individuals. A round of golf lasts about 4 hours on the course. This is the ideal opportunity to strengthen those bonds and to get to know one another while yet remaining physically active. That is a real reason why the wealthy enjoy golfing so much. Online courses are number 5. Education is expanding online, and it's the correct type of online education where you can read real-time feedback, know exactly what you're getting, and request a refund if the teacher fails to deliver on their promise. None of these options existed when you were in high school. You can even find an expert to take your hand and walk you through the actionable side of topics that interest you no matter where you are in the world. Learning how to learn is the most important ability one can acquire. Once you've mastered it, the world becomes your playground because you can learn any other talent you want by flipping a switch. Debt repayment is number 6. Debt is the modern world's nearest equivalent of slavery. Debt makes the poor poorer and the wealthy richer. 99% of the public cannot distinguish between good and bad debt, which is why the wealthy are referred to as the 1%. For most people, the longer they keep their debt, the more interest they pay. In this scenario, paying off debt is critical to achieving financial success. Buy yourself out of the debt contract if you want to be wealthy. Books are number 7. Books provide you the opportunity to live lives other than your own. One of the most underappreciated asymmetric investments is books. A $15 book is available. 10 books have the power to transform your life. And even though it costs $150, people would prefer to watch The Circle on Netflix than grow as people. If you're not a reader, audiobooks are a good alternative. Number 8, business events. Business events are a type of country clubs that are more diversified. People from all around the world gather to seek inspiration, expertise, and business connections. It's really just an excuse to meet new people, and it also gives you access to some of your industry's most powerful figures. Better accountants are number 9. Here's the thing. Accountants are the one direct service that can literally earn its keep. An excellent accountant may cost 2 to 3 times as much as a bad one, but they can save you tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Accountants are the financial world's magicians, so knowing a few spells comes in pretty handy. Consider it this way: money's native language is numbers. Even if you can converse in it, it's always best to entrust it to a native speaker to ensure you capture all the nuances you wish to convey. The 10th point is coaching sessions. Coaching sessions are when you hire someone to assist you with your problems. A coaching session's worth derives from improving your behavior. That is exactly what a good performance coach does. It boosts productivity. You should expect to pay between $100 to $300 per 1-hour session, or roughly $5,000 per month to work with a performance coach. Some people sell gibberish, but there are a few that know what they're actually doing. Number 11 is a fantastic birthday present. The most valuable gifts in life are those that help others. They've been carefully chosen. Their selection took time and effort, and they are personalized for the individual receiving the gift. Do not undervalue the significance of presents. Humans are unaware of how few birthdays they have in their lives, how few opportunity to spend time with those they love, but a great gift you'll remember for the rest of your life. Number 12 is travel. They claim that travel is one of the few things you can buy that will make you wealthier. Travel does, in fact, create a different type of riches. It brings back memories. It allows you to learn more about yourself and the person you want to be. Your memory bank becomes far more essential than your actual bank as you become older. Number 13, a new apartment. When you buy another apartment, or any asset for that matter, you will be richer. That's why you bought it, and it's also how most people become wealthy. You invest in items that will help you make more money. If they can complete it without your help, you'll get bonus points. One of those things is real estate. If you can afford to buy another apartment to rent out, the level of stress in your life and the amount of time you spend worrying about bills will significantly decrease. That condo may not allow you to live the life of your dreams, but it will cover your living expenses indefinitely. Now that's one less issue to be concerned about. This is known as expense arbitrage. Number 14 is ownership in other people's enterprises. You're not going to buy the whole company, because that would mean you'll be in charge of everything. What you will do is to buy a minority stake. Through this, the company now has more than enough cash to fund its rapid expansion after purchasing a minority stake. You're not only getting paid, but you're also hanging out with the crew. Get to meet some highly creative individuals with whom we will create amazing things in the future. Growth isn't possible without collaboration. Look for yours. And ultimately, number 15, spend time with your child. Time and liberty are more valuable. More money isn't always necessary, especially because you'll most likely have children in the next few years. You will never be able to buy back those early days, those first years, no matter how much money you make. The most valuable thing you can do is give your child is time. Keep it safe and don't sell it cheaply. To summarize, there is a distinction between being wealthy and being rich. When you work hard and earn a lot of money, you are rich. When you earn money even while sleeping, you are wealthy. You know you're affluent when your future would rise even if you quit working today. That is one of the most crucial decisions you will make. You want to be prosperous, not affluent. And these 15 things we're telling you about are what we refer to as true wealth. Tell us about your discoveries in the comments if you've discovered this distinction and made it your goal to develop wealth in your life. Now we'll turn the question on to you. What are some assets you could buy to make yourself richer? Please let us know in the comment section. We're looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and consider subscribing to our channel and joining our fantastic community if you found it useful. If you're still hungry for more, check out our YouTube channel for more great videos.